Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix Discord server rules accept button missing. Many users cannot join servers because the accept rules button does not appear. And this usually happens due to client glitches, browser issues, or role settings. First, refresh Discord. Press Ctrl plus R on desktop or swipe down on mobile. Temporary glitches often fix this. Step 1. Check internet connection. Slow or unstable networks may prevent buttons from loading. Switch to a stable Wi-Fi or wired connection. Step 2. Clear Discord cache. Corrupted cache may block UI elements. On PC, go to App Data, greater than Discord, greater than cache. Delete contents and restart Discord. Step 3. Try a different device or browser. Sometimes mobile apps or web clients may fail to load buttons. Switch to desktop, mobile, or browser and test again. Step 4. Disable VPN or proxy. Some network setups may block server scripts. Turn them off temporarily. Step 5. Check server rules settings. The server admin may not have properly configured rules or required roles. Contact an admin if needed. Step 6. Update Discord. Outdated versions may cause missing buttons. Use the latest app version. Finally, contact Discord support if the issue continues. Provide server name, client version, and steps tried. Support can check account or server-side issues. So yeah, fixing Discord server rules. Accept button missing is about refreshing Discord, checking internet, clearing cache, trying another device, disabling VPN, checking server settings, updating app, and contacting support. Follow these steps and the accept button should appear normally again. Hello everyone, today